Bitcoin is finally moving again after days of doing absolutely nothing. You can clearly see here the minimal movements that we've had, and we have now finally seen that break through $90,000. So let's see together the next trades that we have on Bitcoin. However, before I start, I do want to show you some of the trades that we have taken inside the Discord, as we have had some enormous wins. The first amazing trade that we took was this long trade on WLD, and it was off of a very simple SFP of the lows, which offered an amazing risk to reward. As you can see, we got exactly the bottom, and from there we had a massive pump of almost 30%. And this trade that I'm still holding right here actually made me about $1,500. And as you can see, that is a 500% return. Another amazing trade was this long trade on Pippin, which I predicted way ahead in my live streams that I make every single day. And I actually traded this a couple times. I bought, I sold part of it, I rebought, then I sold, I rebought again. But overall, I made almost $800. This trade was absolutely perfect. And as you can see, we had a 40% move to the upside. And it is actually with these trades that I take live every single day that I've been able to transform this account from $2,000 all the way up to $10,000 in less than 30 days. And we're starting 2026 very strongly with already 1.6K in profits in just 3 days. So if you want to see me trading this account live, I suggest you join the live streams that I do every single day. I mean, there are so many members just posting so many profits every single day, absolutely printing with the alerts that we do during the live streams, or we just send in the Discord. There are just so many that I can't even show you all of them. Look at this guy. Live streams have been goated to learn from your analysis and execution. Live turned $100 into $268 in 3 weeks. And then finally in the live, we took this long trade on Bitcoin, which also ended up with about $400 in profits. And that was this trade off of the point of control, off of the anchor VWAP, off of a retest of the Fibonacci level. And from there, we just had a very nice follow through. But now let's see the next trades that we have lining up for Bitcoin. As of now, I'm actually in a short trade off of this Fibonacci level that has been hit to the dollar, taken from the high to the low. And as you can see, we had a nice rejection, a change in market structure on the 30 minutes. And that for me actually triggered a short trade. I do, however, expect to be stopped out on this, as I think we can make another move up to take out the highs before we have a reversal, or we can simply move up to this higher target that I have around this daily and daily naked point of control at around 92.5K. And to be honest, I don't really see any long opportunities on Bitcoin anywhere nearby unless we make that move down towards $87,000. Where of course, as always, we do need to check for a reaction, check order flow, and if we get a good reaction, we can take that long trade. However, I do want to focus on short trades today because I do think that Bitcoin has the strength to move up first to this target, but my most interesting target is going to be above these highs that we have at around $96,000 all the way up to around $98,000. So this is going to be the area that I'm going to be interested in looking for a bigger short trade. This is where I think most of the stop losses are resting, and we do have this anchor VWAP also lining up perfectly. So if we consider this as a range, we can consider a move up to the anchor VWAP and those highs, taking out the liquidity. And once we go back below this anchor VWAP, that's where our short trade is going to trigger. And that is where we can potentially look for a full reversal down to the range low at $80,000, where we do have this really interesting area at around $76,000 to $77,000, where, by the way, if we get the right reaction, we can also look for a long trade to the other side of the range. However, if we move all the way down here, I do actually expect around $66,000 to $67,000 to be hit. This does not mean that we have to go down to these levels. I'm just warning you about a potential possible bearish scenario. However, we also have a bullish scenario where I think if we can hold above this anchor VWAP and move above the highs that I was mentioning before, we can see a quick move up towards 105 first. And if we flip this area, I think that we can see potentially even 114,000. So here Bitcoin is really at a difficult point because we could see a move up to higher prices fairly quickly, but we could also see a big dump. And so we have to position ourselves in a way that we can make money whatever happens in price. So just to summarize, I'm going to give you my short trades once again. 92 is going to be the first area where I will be looking for a potential bearish reaction. Keep in mind, as I always say, if we don't get a bearish reaction and we simply trade through this level, I'm not even going to be taking this short. For me to take this short, we need to see rejection, change in market structure, and then I will take this short trade. And that will be my first level. Second level, we have these highs between $96,000 and $97,000. And once again, only if we get a rejection of this level, I will be taking this short trade. and looking for lower. If instead we start flipping the level and holding it as support, then I will look for them move up towards 105. And it will be around here that I'm going to be looking for a long trade in a more local way to try and take advantage of this move up. However, I'm already exposed in long trades and spot positions in order to make money if we move up. I do think that we can eventually, if we get here, look for a short trade at around 114,000, but this is too early to see, and I will cover this in one of my live streams or in a future video. But for now, these are the two main trades that I would focus on. Keep in mind also that today is Sunday and we are going to have a gap open at around $90,000, which matches pretty well with this anchor VWAP, this naked point of control. And I do think that we have a day trade lining up, if we get a nice reaction here, to then take this to the higher targets that I have for my shorts. So if something like this happens, I will be interested in also taking this day trade to this $92,000 first, and then to that $96,000 target. So I hope everything is clear. Do remember that I have a free Discord where I send every single signal and every single trade that I take. If you want to join that, you can find it in the description. I also offer a mentorship where I teach you exactly how to use these tools in order to trade, where you can learn to take trades such as this one. For example, I also forgot to mention this. I did make about $3,000 off of this light short trade. I actually shorted the exact top of this and made over 5,000% in returns with just 10x leverage. That is shorting at $4.6. And this actually traded all the way down to 0.35 cents at one point. So if you want to learn how to take trades like this, I do suggest that you join the Discord and subscribe below.